Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, that reading may clear your doubts or answer the questions you have about your circumstance, guys. So, you can stay tuned for that, guys, Capricorn. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Mountain, Ship, and Lilies. So, in your circumstances today, guys, you are facing a lot of challenging situation, something using your skills and talents, and you need to work hard maybe to achieve certain things in your work situation. You have many choices or many obstacles in front of you, and you need to use all your skills, talents, and concentration to overcome these difficult circumstances today, guys. So, you are someone responsible, working hard, trying your best, doing your best, guys. But today, for that success, you need to think out of the box, think differently, and handle your situation effectively if you want success. So, it may be a circumstance in your work or maybe in your relationship. You have to see things differently today if you want a beautiful connection. Maybe you share a level of understanding, love, trust with this person. But if you want to take this relationship to the next level, guys, you need to see things differently, maybe change yourself, try to adapt to this relationship, trying to be really flexible with this person in this love. So maybe they have their own ideas, they have their own belief, and they want to do things their way sometimes. So you need to respect their feelings, guys, maybe, and you need to come out of your closed vision or ideas. Maybe you go by the book, you follow the rules you have, or the ideals you have, or the beliefs you uh, stand for. So you need to give up all that, trying to find that compatibility, understanding with this person. So you need to change the way you see your situation. Your perception needs to be changed. So sometimes you need to understand their point of view. Only then you will be able to find that perfect understanding between you both, and no more misunderstandings today, guys, Capricorns. And I also see that you are changing yourself. It may be your energy or their energy towards this love, guys. So maybe you are changing yourself, or this person is changing themselves for you. So things are going to change positively in this relationship, and even the changes you need to make in your career situation, you are going for that, guys. So that may work out for you for the better, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seriphos Green Quartz. So, with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So, this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship, and this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, what to say, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength and love. If we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.